So here in Colorado, we have rather unpredictable springs. And today, 2 days ago, it was 80 degrees. The peonies were loving it. Look at this, they're looking so healthy. And right now it is snowing. So to protect them, peonies are pretty hardy, but this is really young, tender foliage. And these peonies have only been in the ground for a little over a year. So I'm going to just tuck them under an empty pot. And that will protect them if snow does accumulate. It'll protect them from getting squished down by the weight of the snow. And it forms just a little bit of a protective temperature layer, because our temperatures are going to be down right about freezing tonight. So just pop them under. They should be just fine. And I'll take the pots off tomorrow and we'll be good to go. Quick tip, happy gardening.